All right, hello and welcome. Welcome to Divine Sound. Today we are going to be focusing on our sound bath and vibrations are going to be focusing on confidence. So if you're feeling a little wobbly, if you're having some inner self doubts that are really plaguing you from taking that next step forward, in whatever area that is for you, whether that be in a relationship, whether that be in your career, whether that be in going in a new direction, whatever that is for you, if you would like to have more confidence, then let's take the next 10 minutes. I invite you to sit down and relax or lay down, whatever's comfortable for you, and absorb these vibrations that will bring about more confidence for you and allow you to come home to that inner strength, come home to wholeness, and come home to holiness. So go ahead and start creating an intention around what you would like to release that may be interfering or blocking you from feeling confident, and setting that intention of what you would like to create instead. Maybe I let go of my self-doubt and I receive strength, inner strength, whatever that is for you. Saying I am confident, that way you're actually owning it, even though you may not be thinking it. As we say I am for anything, it automatically allows us to become one with it. And it's a way that we can step into it even if we're not feeling it. So go ahead, start to take in some nice deep breaths and give yourself this 10 minutes to let go and receive. Opening up your heart and allowing any emotion that doesn't serve you, any thought that might be creating that wobble of self-doubt, that wobble of, ooh, I don't know if I can do that wobble of I'm not enough, that wobble of I'm just not as good as that person, or I don't have as good of ideas. Whatever is in your mind plaguing you, give yourself this opportunity to release it. Literally see it flowing out of your body. Be willing to surrender it. It doesn't serve you. Let it go. Joyfully let it go. And expect the best now and in the future. And let these beautiful sounds of divine love fill every cell of your body with strength, courage, and confidence. And opening your heart. Allowing yourself to receive support from that power that is greater than you as you're breathing in, knowing that that power is divine love. It's always there for you. It's your strength, it's your confidence. It's the all that is. Welcome it in. Having the courage the confidence, having the courage and the confidence to create a life that really is not only what you would love, but that gives your gifts and talents to the world. And this world is in desperate need of your gifts and talents. Seeing yourself, stepping into your gifts and talents with that power that is breathing you, with that strength, that inner core strength, that inner core knowing that gives you that core confidence to step into your life in a meaningful and purposeful way. Using your imagination to see yourself confident, How do you want to show up? What are the traits? If you embodied confidence, how would you be showing up? See it, vision it, fantasize about it. The mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not. So use your imagination to create you, confident you. See yourself. Feel it. How would you be walking? How would you be talking? How would you be showing up as the most confident version of you? Zip into it. Feel it. Put a hand over your heart and say, "This is my new norm." And imagine the shimmering, beautiful angels right there with you. Really own it. Zip into it, feel it, take it on, step into it. Know that it is absolutely yours. Whatever it is that you want, all you have to do is accept it and step forward 1 foot at a time with a confidence. And a knowing that you can have anything you want in life. So here is wishing you all the confidence that you desire to step into the life that the world is waiting for, that only you can bring to this world. Many, many blessings. Bye for now.